A massive magnitude 7.2 earthquake hit Haiti early Saturday morning, leaving buildings crumbled, hospitals overcrowded and people rushing in fear from their homes into the streets. The quake left at least 300 people confirmed dead and 1,800 injured so far. The earthquake came as tropical storm Grace raced toward the island, potentially complicating rescue efforts. The storm is expected to arrive late Monday night or early Tuesday morning, according to the National Hurricane Center. The death toll stood at 304, according to Jerry Chandler, Haiti's Director of Civil Protection. Teams will be sent to the area for search and rescue missions, Chandler told the Associated Press. Mackinson Pierre, 32, found one person dead near the rubble on the main street of Jérémie, his hometown. Jérémie, a coastal city in southwestern Haiti, is about 80 miles from St. Louis du Sud, which is located close to the epicenter of the quake. Please subscribe my channel and pray for Haiti people.